Hey y'all, it's your girl Slay, and I am back with another video. Today we will be doing two curly buns. They will be sitting low at the nape of the neck. And I'm going to start by using some Shine Jam. I've already parted off my hair in like a zigzag pattern, a hard brush, and a rat tail comb. And let's get into it. So we're going to take that Shine Jam and just smooth it down the parting, and just make sure that it's evenly coated around. You want to get the nape of your neck, you want to get where the part is, and you also want to get all the way in between from where the parting is to where your ponytail will be secured with a scrunchie. So what I'm doing here is just brushing that Shine Jam in evenly. And I put a little video to the side there to show you guys what my hair texture looks like. It's very coily. I don't know if I'm a 4A, 4B, 4C, or whatever, but that's my texture. If you're looking for somebody with a similar texture for this style, there you go. So what you see me doing here is using the rat tail comb is to just smooth it out even further now that I brushed it, and to kind of mold my swoop. I'm not going to have like a super deep swoop, but it's just going to be swoop just enough because, again, my hair is very coily, and it doesn't reach around. It does, but then it just sucks back up. Like, it'll shrink back up to the root. So swoops for me don't really work like that unless I like have a hairstylist do it, and then I'm pretty sure they'll figure it out. But yeah, anyway, so just putting a little bit more Shine Jam there to help me mold a little bit better and even up any gaps. And there we go. So now I've worked that, and I'm just taking my detangling brush to make sure that all the hair I've swooped down to where the hair will be tied off with a scrunchie is nice and even and nice and untangled. All right, so now that I have it molded like I want, I'm just going to go ahead and put that in a scrunchie. That is me searching hard for my scrunchie. So yeah, so gonna go ahead and put that down. I'm not gonna put my scrunchie on too tight, but I'm gonna make sure that it's secured enough, if that makes any sense. I'm not a fan of my ponytails being super tight when I do wear them. I'm just not a fan. So I'm working on the other side now. With this side is going to be a little bit easier because there's no swoop on this side. So just molding it down with that Shine Jam, even it out with the rat tail comb. Make sure it's all mixed in really good. Getting that nape of the neck with the Shine Jam again, because we can't have no beads. Okay. And we're going to tie that off with a scrunchie next. All right, taking my handy dandy detangling brush and just getting that all smoothed out and untangled. And I'm going to go ahead and start braiding that. And I'm sorry my head is so far down, but I'm braiding that ponytail down. Just doing a little plait all the way to the ends and making sure it's secured. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. The reason I am braiding this in a plait is because I'm going to wrap some water wave weave, hair store, beauty supply, water wave hair around those plaits. So I'm just gonna braid the other side too. So now I'm going to take my Zury Natural Dream Passion Curl. I know I called it Water Wave. I'm so sorry. Passion Curl hair. And we're going to take that out of the packet and take it all the way down to where we have one long strand of hair. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm unraveling all of that. And once we get it unraveled, we'll get started with a needle and thread. After that, we are going to use some bobby pins, jumbo bobby pins to be exact. Taking that needle and thread, I'm going to wrap it around the end of that braid. And then I'm going to take the needle through the weft of the hair and then continue wrapping it around. So you'll continue this for a few times going up the braid. But once you've gotten it started with the needle and thread and going up a few times and making sure that it's, you know, completely in there, then that's when we'll start using the bobby pin. So you just want to secure it at first with the needle and thread at the bottom of the braid, and then we'll start to use that bobby pin. All right, so this is where the bobby pin comes in play, because nobody really wants to use a needle and thread up the entire thing unless you're getting your hair done and they do it because it's easier, right? So what I did with the jumbo bobby pins, which is why I'm using the large ones, I stuck the bobby pin up the shaft of the braid with one side of the bobby pin exposed. So I stuck the bobby pin like in an in and out type of motion, and then left it exposed, leaving it exposed on the braid, the front part of the braid. So when I'm wrapping that passion curl around the braid, as you can see, I'm wrapping it around, and when I bring it towards the front, I'm putting it inside the bobby pin, just like that. So wrap it around, put it inside the bobby pin, push it down, and then keep wrapping, bring it around again, put it inside the bobby pin, and keep wrapping around. And when I tell you guys it's secure, trust me. Okay. So I'm gonna literally do the same thing on this side, starting the pigtail off by sewing it in with a needle and thread just to make sure it's secured to the ends of that braid. And then you'll start seeing me using a bobby pin by pushing it up the shaft of the braid, like you see me doing there. And then I am going to start adding that passion curl in by wrapping it around and pushing it down the bobby pin. So once you're finished with the pigtail, you're going to take some hair from the back of the ponytail, and then you're going to wrap that hair around, make it nice and even. Wrap it around the base of that ponytail, bobby pin it, spray some Got2b glue or some spritz or pump it up, whatever you got. Now I'm going to twist this passion curl around, and then I'm going to twist it around the base of the ponytail, creating the bun effect, right? I wanted it to be a somewhat messy bun, so that's why it's not too uniform, but looks good. Check out the Slay Life Edge Wrap, shameless plug. Get into these pictures. This look is so easy and nice and cute. I love it. All right, y'all, this is the finished look. It looks so good. I am like in love. This is my first time doing this style. Big buns, baby. Big buns. Super cute. Look at me. But y'all, the lashes I'm wearing today are Cherry from Slay Life Lashes. So go to my business, Slay Life, at SlayLifeHairCo.com. Get your bundles, edge wraps, bonnets, and your bundles. Okay? Get it all. All right? Y'all, loving y'all support. Watch my shorts. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Also subscribe to my channel. This is your girl J Slay, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye.